Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Jeep Grand Cherokee in neutral. First, ensure your vehicle is on a flat surface and the engine is off. Engage the parking brake for safety. Next, you'll need to find the small access panel, usually located near the gear shifter or within the center console. This panel often blends in, so look closely for a small seam or indentation. Once you've located the panel, use a small flathead screwdriver or a similar tool to gently pry it open. Be careful not to damage the surrounding trim. Inside, you'll see an orange or yellow lever or ribbon. This is your manual shift override. Before pulling it, you might need to slide a small lock mechanism to the unlock position, which is often indicated by an arrow. With the lock released, pull the orange or yellow lever firmly upwards until it clicks and stays in the engaged position. This action manually shifts your transmission into neutral. Now, release the parking brake and gently try to push the vehicle to confirm it rolls freely. Remember to always re-engage the parking brake once the vehicle is in its desired position to prevent accidental movement. To return your Jeep Grand Cherokee to park, simply push the orange or yellow override lever back down until it fully retracts and you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. This will re-engage the park mechanism. Always double-check that the vehicle is firmly in park before leaving it unattended. For more helpful tips and great deals, including that link for darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check out the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.